Hello everyone, this is Sunita. As a part of virtual internship of ANAII, I'm going to demonstrate about the project 5. Uh, it is about essentials of Python programming. As a part of this, I'm going to develop a game. Name of the game is Rock, Paper and Scissors. It is done using Python programming. First, we need to take the input from the user. If he chooses rock, paper, or scissors, we are giving a shortcut notation R, P, and S for our convenience. So we are going to take the input from the user and trying to convert the input into R, P, or S, and based on that we are going to play the game. When we execute this, we get a pop showing a box text box showing what you want to choose, rock, paper, or S. Let me choose rock and then press enter. And then we will ask whether to choose between R, P, and S. And the computer chooses P. Now there is a logic written. So player 1 chose R and player 2 chose P. Player 2 has won the game. So R is R is rock, P is paper, S is scissors. As player 1 has chose rock and player 2 has chosen paper, player 2 has won the game. So in the same way we can use it choose between R, P and S and play accordingly. So let's take the second input, paper, P for paper, S for scissors. Let's run this code game and play to won the game because scissors cut the paper. So play to has won the game. So the way we can develop the game of rock, scissors and paper. Thank you. Thank you for watching and thank you for giving me an opportunity.